So are you comfortable with these functions? You might have already worked, but still this would have given you some new learning.
Comfortable.
Okay. Any new function that you have learned yesterday?
It's rank EQ. I learned rank EQ.
Rank.eq. Okay. Yeah. Good. So today we will see two topics. One is conditional formatting. Another one is if condition. Okay. Get these tabs ready. One tab you keep it for source. Another one you keep it for conditional formatting. 5_conditional formatting. Copy it to the draft and rename it to V1. Hope you are parallelly working with me.
Yes.
Right. Good. So on the day one, we have seen formattings. I've told you how to do a cell formatting, right? We do a color, give a background color, we give borders, we change the font colors, font name, right? So this is called cell formatting. So we do manually these things. Now we are going to learn about conditional formatting. What do you mean by a conditional formatting? Can you tell me? Already you might have worked on the conditional formatting.
Just to highlight the data. Formatting used to highlight the data.
How do you highlight it? Whether manually or with the help of some formulas, or how do you highlight?
I I to manage with someone colleague. I don't know how to do it.
Okay, good. So this were I can understand about you. Very good. You're revealing the whatever you know, so that I can understand from that point of view. I can teach you. Right. Very good. Thanks for this information. Now you can see this. There are some numbers in these cells. Now here you can see they have given the scenario. So always you should learn how to learn. So that's what I teach everybody. Learn how to learn. Learning is one journey. Okay. How to learn is another journey. So if you learn how to learn, you can learn anything in the world. Right. So I teach everybody to look at the scenario. So this is a scenario given. What is the solution for it? If this is a scenario, there can be a solution 1, solution 2, solution 3. Okay. Whichever is that you can learn, it's more than enough. But at the end of the day, you should find a solution for it. And this solution can improve in the upcoming days. Okay. If solution 1 you have arrived at, in upcoming days, you might go and search for the solution 2 and solution 3, which might be better when compared to the 1 and always. So look at the scenario and solution. That should be your focus. So they have given the scenario here. Highlight number 33 with the background yellow color in the given range. Already you can see they have manually given the background color for these numbers. Right? This is manual. If I want, I can go here and I can say no fill color. Correct? No borders. I can do this. It's a normal cell. Correct?
Okay.
Control Z I'm undoing just to highlight it. So they wanted to highlight the number 33 in this particular group. How to do that? Select this data that needs to be validated. So these are all the cells that needs to be validated. Now I'm going to apply a conditional formatting. So based upon some condition, we can give a background color for the cell or font color, whatever it is. How to do that? Select the cells, go to the Home tab, click on the conditional formatting on the top. Can be here, styles. In the styles, you can go to the conditional formatting. In the conditional formatting, go to the first one, highlight cells, rows. Just take, now you can see that is called equal to. Click on the equal to. Now you define your condition. If the cell value is 33, okay, type the number 33 here. Then highlight a particular cell in some like a red color text. Or you can go to the custom formatting. You can see the format cells here. Go to the fill color. You give some colors. It's a red color, right? Red color. Right. If you want more colors, let us see. A light red. Is that okay? Now, if I want to remove this, I have applied the conditional formatting. Now I can change the number to 10. Conditional formatting will be removed. Another cell, I can type 33. Once the condition is matched, automatically the cell color will change. Now, if I want to remove this conditional formatting, so select the cells, go to the conditional formatting. You can see a clear rules. So clear from the selected cells. So this is how we apply and remove the conditional formatting for cells. Can you try and let me know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
Are you able to do it?
Yeah, yeah.
Like
You want me to share the
now,
screen?
okay. You want to share? Share, share.
You are getting it?
I can see your screen, but not the Excel file.
Okay.
I mean, as far as you're doing, no problem,
Just a minute.
right? Shall I share my screen?
I'm sharing.
I can see your,
This.
good, good, right? Yeah, you're there. unshare, I'll share my screen. So remove that. Try to remove the conditional formatting as well. Now, I want to control these numbers. For example, I want to do search for another number. How do I do it? For example, 10, I want to search. So again, I need to select this and go to the conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. Again, I should say equal to, I should type the numbers here. So every time it is very difficult, I'm adding one condition. So rather than doing that, what I have done, I have made one cell. See here, there is a cell which is given the border. I'm referring that cell and I can give the conditional formatting on the right hand side. Now say okay. So here I'm using a formula. This is a formula, not referring a cell. Basically a formula. Say okay. Now it becomes easy that I can type 10 here, correct? I can type 13. So it becomes easy for me to search for a particular number in the list of values with the help of conditional formatting. Good. Right? Try this. Remove that existing conditional formatting by selecting the cells. Go to the conditional formatting, say clear rules. After that, you highlight cell rules. Now you say equal to. Now this time you decide the formula. In this space you type, just select the cell for hello.
Okay.
Are you getting it? Are you able to control now?
Yeah.
Right. Good. So you know how to apply. What do you mean by conditional formatting? How to apply a conditional formatting? How to remove the conditional formatting? And how to control with the help of the cell. Next. Format the background green color whose minimum value is at least 40. Okay. Less than 40, background color should be red. So here they have given the student a name and they have given the marks. Here we need to see that when the marks are less than 40, then it has to highlight in red color. If the marks are between 40 and 100, then it should be in green color. So here we are trying to add multiple conditions. How to add multiple conditions for a conditional formatting? Simply select the mark that needs the conditional formatting. Go to the conditional formatting, you say highlight cell rules, and now you say equal to, right? Now you can type. This time it is less than 40, right? So we have to use a different rule. Conditional formatting. You say less than. So less than 40, right? Less than 40 you can type. And fill it in red color. Say okay. The first condition is done. Again, I want to add one more condition. What is the condition? Greater than or equal to 40, less than or equal to 100. Simply select that conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. Now you have between. So marks cannot be greater than 100. So you need to put it in a certain range, 40 and 100. Here 40 is also included, 100 is also included. So say between operate. So minimum value is 40 and maximum value is 100. You type this values. Then you highlight in green color. Say okay. Now you can see one of the values which is greater than 100. So this is an data entry issue. So let us track that also. Again, select all the cells. Go to the conditional formatting. Now you say greater than, right? Greater than 100. You highlight in yellow color. So this is how we add multiple conditions. Now I can type here any cell, just a 27, it becomes red. This one is 150, it becomes this one. If you type 64, it becomes green. Can you try 3 conditions?
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Are you able to get it?
Yes, yes.
Right. Now, where do we, for example, say I want to change this condition, then I should know where to edit this, what I have done it here. Today I have done this condition, but tomorrow I don't know what I have done it. In order to know where the conditional formattings, already there's conditions. Go to the conditions, can click on manage rules. Go to the manage rules. Now you can see each condition, what is the condition that we have applied. You can see here. First condition less than 40. What is the color that we have given? That is formatting. This is a formatting. It is applied to which cells? It is here. Right? Again, between. If you want to edit in any informations, you can click on the edit rule and you can do the edits. Okay. So this is how, if you want to delete any rule, you can click on the delete.
Okay.
Yeah. Go towards right. You can do it this one as a homeworks. Okay. I've given it here, the same pattern.
Okay.
Right. Next scenario, apply a background color yellow if the cell value is exactly Satya. So here we have a list of names. If the cell value is exactly Satya, then you can highlight in yellow color. So select the cells, go to the conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. Now you say again equal to. Now you type Satya. Satya, like SATYA, right? SATYA. Highlight in yellow color. Yellow color. Save. So the cell which contains Satya, it can be an uppercase or lowercase, then it is highlighted. Other cells which may have Satya, but it is along with some other characters or words, but that is not highlighted. So here for text also, we are going to use highlight cell rules equal to. We can use for numbers, we can use for text as well. Just give me confirmation, okay? Once you're done, I'm waiting. Take your time and do. Don't be in a hurry. Take your time and try to win.
No, I am able to do.
Right. Now look at the
Okay.
next scenario. Apply a background color yellow if the cell value contains Satya. Okay. So in the previous scenario, it is exactly Satya. This time it is cell value contains Satya. So select the data. If any cell contains Satya, highlight it. Whether it is a single word or it is along with the rest of the words, no problem. So go to the conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. Now you say text that contains. Click on the text that contains. Now you say Satya. SATYA. Okay. Now highlight in yellow color. So which are all the cells that contains the Satya? It is highlighted in yellow color.
I have one question.
Hmm.
Okay, it is character, but
Sorry.
they are characters.
Hmm.
But in numeric form, certain numbers which I am presenting in the scenario comes that the sale is low, sale is
Hmm.
high.
Hmm.
But certain benchmarks are there,
Hmm.
which when we do conditional formatting, along the conditional formatting, if I want to highlight with uh, some arrow or yellow color or something, this conditional formatting will give the
Coming.
color. Yes.
Yes, yes, that is there. Here we will do. We have that exercise.
Okay. Okay.
Here, no? This one you're telling, right? Error mark.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you'll come here. We'll finish this step by step. Finishes contains. So this is for text.
Okay.
Are you able to get this? Contains
Yeah.
Satya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Now look at the next example. Apply below conditions to transactional dates. If it is today, highlight in yellow color. Tomorrow means green color. Yesterday means red color. So select the dates. Okay, that needs the conditional formatting. Go to the conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. Now you can see dates occurring. So click on the dates occurring. Now you can say today. You can select the date today, yellow color. Say OK. Now we need to apply a second condition. Already the cells are selected. Go to the conditional formatting. Go to the dates occurring. Say yesterday. Means red color. Okay. Again conditional formatting. Highlight cell rules. One more rule I'm going to add. Date occurring. Say tomorrow. Means green color. So in this way, we can also apply a conditional formatting for the dates as well. Current date, past date, and future date.
Okay.
Completed?
Yes, yes.
Okay, right. So whatever I'm doing in the screen, you should be able to replicate it.
Okay.
Go to the sixth example. Highlight duplicate values in red and unique with green color. So I have a list of product names available here. I want to highlight duplicate values. Again, select the cells that needs a conditional formatting. Go to the conditional formatting. You say highlight cell rules. Now you say duplicate values. So click on the duplicate values. So here on the left hand side, there are two options are there. You can highlight duplicate and highlight the unique. First, let us highlight the duplicates in red color. Say OK. All the cells are highlighted in red, which are duplicates. Almost all the products are duplicate except one. I want to highlight the unique also. So select the cells. Again, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. Now go to duplicate again. You select this option, unique. Okay. Now you say yellow color or green color. So in this way, you can highlight and duplicate values in Excel.
Okay. Okay.
Right? Okay. Next one, go towards right. Look at this example. There are some employees out there. I have sales done by them. Okay. Now I want a gradient color or a solid fill color. So here we are going to learn about data bars. The sales, looking at the sales number might be difficult. Rather than that, we can give a color to this particular cell. Then it becomes easy for us to understand whether it is the highest sales or the lowest sales. Right? So with the help of the color conditional formatting, we can give the colors based upon the cell value. So when you say highlight the cell, it will highlight the entire cell. Now this time, based upon the cell value, we are going to highlight. Look at this demo. Select the cells that needs the conditional formatting. Go to the conditional formatting. You can see data bars. Simply click on the data bars and you can use the gradient or you can use the solid fill color. Gradient means you will get this dark color slightly fading out, and fill color will be entirely the same color. I'm using the same color. Now it is easy for us to understand the sales with the help of the data color. So maximum is 1000, so it is getting the full color, and the others are getting the 50% or 60% depends upon the value. This is called data bars.
Okay.
Got it? Right. Next one, I want only the bars. I don't want the sales. So here you can see the colors as well as the sales figures. Next option, select it. As usual, you go to the conditional formatting, go to the data bars. Now fix it. Get the green color. After this, you need to remove the sales value. If you delete it, the data is gone. Correct? You cannot do a delete. How can you do this? Can you think?
Sorry, repeat.
I want only the colors. I don't want the sales figure to be displayed here. Only bars I need.
You go to the conditional formatting and in that you remove this
How to
text,
remove?
select the cell,
Okay.
all cells, select the data,
Okay.
and
If you remove
go to
conditional
the,
formatting, this data bars will be removed, right? I want the bars, but I don't want the sales figures 500, 700, 750, 650. One way is that you can go to the font and you can say white color. White color also will have this one. Will be impression. So what you can do, select the data, go to the conditional formatting, go to the manage rules. Click on the manage rules, right? Now click on a particular condition. You say edit rule. In the edit rule, you have an option of show bars only. Select this and then say OK. Apply. OK. Now you can see only bars and not the numbers.
okay.
The first example is the help of the sales value and then the bars. The second example is we are showing only the bars and not the sales value. Create and edit it.
Just a minute. This conditional formatting, data was gradient. Conditional formatting, data was conditional formatting, 32 show why. Okay. Yeah, I am able to do.
Right. Scroll towards right. Now here, there are sales values are there, and we need to have a conditions like this. We need to find out how we can place the arrow marks on the left hand side. So right now, it is placed, remove this conditional formatting. Select it, go to the conditional formatting, clear rules, clear the rules from the selected. Now they have given the condition. If the sales figure are greater than or equal to 700, then I need a green color arrow. If the sales are between 600 to 700, then I need the sidewise arrow that should be in yellow color. Third condition is if it is less than 600, it should be a red color arrow moving towards downside. So how to get that value? Simply select this data that needs the conditional formatting. Go to the conditional formatting. Here you can see icon set. Now you have the various patterns. You select the first one, 3 arrows colored. When you do so, automatically it gives you the up arrow, down arrow, and side arrow. Based upon some calculations, it is getting this, but it is not fitting to this condition. Right? See, for example, say less than 600, correct? It is giving a side arrow, which is wrong. So how do we control this? Again, select this, first apply the conditional formatting. Now we will do an edit. Now go to the conditional formatting, go to the manage rules, click on this icon set, say edit the row. Now you can see the icons are up arrow, side arrow, and down arrow with the 3 different colors, green, yellow, and red respectively. On the right hand side, you can see the condition. By default, it has applied some condition. But you can see the condition is based upon the type. So this type, you convert it to number. And now you can see the value. What is the value that we need? So we need a value greater than or equal to, we have to say 700. Second one, okay, greater than or equal to 600. And automatically, the third condition will be less than 600. Say okay, apply. Okay. Now you get the right result. Earlier, 650, which was in a down arrow, right? Now you can
Can
see
you
it is
repeat? Can
aligned
you
with this
can you
condition.
can you repeat it?
Huh. I'm removing, clearing the rules. Okay. Select the sales data. Go to the conditional formatting. Highlight the cell rules. This time you select the icon set. Now you select the First one, up arrow, side arrow, down arrow. This one. Now you get the arrows. So these arrows are defined by the system itself, and it doesn't align our condition. So less than 600, it is getting a here side arrows. It is wrong. Now we need to edit this condition and I make the adjustments. Now, how do you do the adjustments? Go to the conditional formatting, select the cells and go to the conditional formatting, select the manage rules. In the manage rules, you click on the icon set and say edit the rule. Now, you can see it is done based upon the percentage, 67%, greater than or equal to 67%. Change it to numbers. In the type, you change this to numbers and type the exact number value here. Okay, what is the exact number value? The condition is given there, greater than 700. Okay, so you say greater than or equal to 700. Second one is say 600. So greater than or equal to 600. The third condition automatically changes to 600. Now say okay. Now you say apply. Okay, okay. Now earlier to this condition. Earlier it was not. Now it is aligned to this condition.
Okay. Okay.
You're getting it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. Can you do this as a homework? Show only icon. So we need to get the arrow marks and we need the icon only here. Okay. You can do it at your timeline.
Okay.
So this also you can try transactional dates. Now coming back to this, look at this scenario. Highlight the product color background based upon the condition. Okay. So if there is a list of products and there is a total sales done for each sales is projected here.
Okay.
Now we have to highlight the product name if the sales is greater than 9,500. If it is less than 9,500, make it as a red. If it is equal to 9,500, make it as yellow. Now, we were doing the current cell, validation of the current cell and highlighting the current cell. But this time, the scenario is different. We have to highlight the cells and the condition is in the validation is in the another cell. You need to understand the situation. Select the product list of products. Go to the conditional formatting. Highlight cell rules. Okay. Or what you can do, you can go to the new rule now. Click on the new rule. This time, we are going to use formula to determine which cell to format. So click on the last one, use formula to determine which cell to format. In the format the values, you click on it and you say, right, this cell value, okay, is greater than 9,500. Okay, you remove the dollar symbol, make it as a mixed reference here, and format it to green color. Say okay. So which are all the cells which are greater than 9,500? is highlighted in yellow color. Can you try this? And then you'll go for rest of the conditions, other two conditions, red and yellow. Select the cells,
Just a minute. I
conditional
will
formatting. Now you go to the new rule.
select the cells.
And now you
Conditional
have to select use formula to determine which cell to format.
new rule. Use formula to determine which cells to format. Then after that, what I have to write? Format values where the formula is true. They are asked. He is asked.
Now you type the formula. What is the formula? If the sales cell is greater than 9,500, then you highlight it in green color.
Cell dollar
Remove the dollar symbol, make the row as a relative.
CD is to C5 greater than 100. Greater than 100.
Greater than 9,500.
Okay, okay.
We are using the mixed reference. Do you remember? Yesterday, or day before, a second day, we have learned about the mixed reference. So we are using the concept of mixed reference here.
CD dollar 11. Dollar CD. Oh, CD. Dollar CD dollar 11. So we will move the dollar.
Keep your cursor before that dollar symbol on the row reference 11 and then delete it.
What? Just a minute. I'm not able to do. I will. Okay, okay.
Share,
Getting.
share.
Just a minute. Just. How to get the color now? Format set.
Format. Click on the format, go to the fill tab here, and then select that particular color.
I did something wrong. What I did, you just check.
What happened? Just share me.
It is taking all. This I applied. Edit rule. Are you getting it? You seen what mistake I
Oh,
have done?
you're sharing screen.
You are not seeing my screen?
One second, one second. I didn't see that. Right. No, no. Here you have to remove that formula entirely. Keep the cursor and delete everything.
Okay.
Now you type Just click on that product one. Click on the cell product one. Correct.
Okay.
Right. Now you say greater than
Okay.
9,500. You type.
Okay.
Now, without moving your cursor with the help of the arrow key, use your mouse to navigate before the dollar, before that 11, and delete that dollar symbol.
Yes.
Right. Now you can see the format. Say OK now. Okay. Click on the first formula. Delete. Wait. The first formula you have done something. Click on that and delete it. Formula, first one. No format is there. Na? Select that and delete it. No. Select it here on the no format set. Select it and delete this. Right. Apply and say OK.
It is not
Correct.
coming.
All are 9,500. Something wrong. There are something is 2,000 is there. Why did you? Okay. Some wrong thing is there. Okay. Select the entire then and edit it. All the list of condition formatting. Click on the particular cell and edit it. CD
Yes.
11. Correct only. Greater than 9,500. No. See here. You are going to highlight. That's what I said. You are going to highlight the cell CD. But where is the validation? Where is the sales value? In which column the sales values are there?
CE.
Select the CE and do the validation. Delete it and do it from the beginning. Delete this formula. No. Don't put equal to. Just remove everything. Now you select the cell CE, not the product CE. CE 11. Sales is there only, right? I made a mistake. Right. I got the CE 11. Correct. Now you say greater than 9,500. Right. And remove the dollar symbol before that. 11. Wait. Say OK. Apply. Are you getting it now?
Yes.
Right. Now
Yes.
do it. Do it for the rest of the conditions. Think and do. Move towards right. You can see now you have done it for greater than 9,500. Now you have two more conditions equal to and less than 9,500. Do two another other two conditions. No. Wait. First you highlight the cells that needs the conditional formatting. No, wrong. You need to highlight the product, not the sales. Product column, list of product column. That is why you can see the two white backgrounds, right? Other are all green. This indicates that these are all greater than 9,500. No. Dollar symbol, wait. The dollar symbol before 11 has to be removed, not before the CE.
Sorry.
Right. Now format it. Okay. Now red color. Right. Make the font color as white. Edit the rule. It is not visible, right? Making the font color white for the particular condition. Select
You have
all the
asked
cells.
less than 9,500, you have asked red.
Red color, but the name is not visible, right? It is black color font, right? So make it as a white color font. Go and edit the rule. Manage rules. Manage rules. Why new rule? Click on the red. Wait. Cancel. Correct. Go to the format. Right. Now go to the font tab. Okay. Now you say color. Click on the color and change it to white. White color font. Color is there, no? Second row, second column. You select the white color. Say okay. 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 Now wait. Apply a third condition. Click on the new rule. Here itself. Third condition we have to apply, right? Conditional formatting. Manage. Okay. New rule. Use formula to determine which cell to format. Click on that. Define the rule. No. Stay there. Now you say equal to 9,500. Right? Remove the dollar symbol. Right. Or do the format. Wait. Do the formatting. Green color, yellow color, right? Yellow color. Fill color. Go to the fill tab. No. This is font. No. This is font. They need a background color to be yellow. Remove this. Color should be no fill.
It is coming this one.
Go to the fill tab. Wait. You're right. Go to the fill tab. Now you say yellow color. Say okay. Correct. All good. Say okay. All good. Okay. What happened? Okay, go and edit the rule. Let's see. Select all the cells. Manage rules. Click on the yellow. Edit rule. Okay. See here again you have done the same mistake. You have selected the CD. CD is a product name. We have to select the CE, cell CE. Remove that everything and do it from the beginning. Now say okay. Apply. Okay.
Okay.
Getting it?
Yeah.
So what we have learned here is rather than doing the value, we can also use formula to determine the cell color. Right? Right. Now, if you are good with this, then I have given you an interview questions. On the right hand side tab, you can see an interview questions. Click on the interview questions and do that exercise. Hello?
Abdul Razak
Now look at the scenario. The scenario is if the
If
designation
designation
is
is equal
equals to manager. Now this is employee data. Okay. You have employee name, employee ID, department, designation, the region, salary. If the designation is a manager, highlight it in, highlight the entire record in some color, blue color.
Okay. Okay.
How to do that? Can you give it a try? So look at that scenario completely. Slightly think how to do that. So we have to highlight the entire record and not the single cell.
Okay. Hello.
Yes. Do. Oh, look at the cell value.
Not getting, sir.
Not getting. Okay, let me do this. I'm sharing my screen. Right. So we need to highlight the entire record. That is our goal, correct? So select the entire record. There are two different ways that you can do. Okay. Or I will select this entire data alone here. Go to the conditional formatting. Now you go to the new rule. We cannot directly achieve it. We can go to the new rules and select use formula to determine which cell to format. Now here I say I want this designation. So select the designation cell equal to manager. Okay, and remove the dollar symbol here and highlight that particular row, entire row. Correct? We have already selected the entire row. Just say format and highlight it in some blue color. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That's it.
Okay.
If anybody is a manager again, it highlights that entire.
Okay. Okay. Hello.
Yes. Are you able to do?
Uh, this I am able to do now.
Right? Good. Apply. Okay. So this is all about the conditional formatting.
Okay.
Shall we proceed for next or we'll see tomorrow? I want to do the if
This
condition.
tomorrow we will do if condition. This
Oh,
I will
okay.
revise.
Oh, yeah, you do division. Yeah. So completely practice whatever we have done for the day, right?
Okay. Okay.
Tomorrow. And every day, how is your availability? Morning, will you have time on the work days or only evening only?
No, no, we can. It is fine for me to 7 to 8 morning.
Morning, huh?
6:30 to 8 you want I can give. 7 to 8 want I can give. I have office at 9 o'clock and office
Okay.
distance is
You stay
four
in.
kilometers.
Okay,
I stay
okay.
in a colony. It is 4 kilometer. If you are comfortable in morning, I can give, but before 8.
Ah,
Yes, yes,
so morning, evening also, you will also be tired, right?
yes, yes.
Okay. Fine. Whichever, see that.
If you are comfortable in morning, then it's okay.
Mm, okay.
You go to you go to
We'll
you
decide
go.
during the next day how we'll do that.
Tomorrow you are doing in the evening or morning?
We'll do it in the evening, and weekends alone we'll do it in the morning.
Okay, okay, okay.
Right? Yeah.
No, you are means working hybrid or office.
No. I work full time on a training. I'm a full time trainer.
Okay, 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 okay,
Okay.
okay.
Sometimes I have a training at the evening. So in the weekends I have a training at the evening. So that's the reason why I asked you to come in the morning.
So come morning it is comfortable for me. You can continue.
Okay, right. No, I'll give you options. Okay. Whenever if it is possible, we'll try to meet on the morning. No,
But
we will
one
continue with
thing,
the evening. Hmm.
one thing you told that recording notes that Uttar is you have given.
Footer.
Uttar, you have given me one mail came from you.
That one, you delete it. I don't know how to remove that. You delete that.
Okay. Ah, that. Okay,
That is an AI which will help you to make a note. I have done it for some training, so it is repeating here as well. I need to remove that.
okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then thank you very much,
Yes.
Avdesh. If you don't have any questions for the day? Any clarifications?
No, it was good. I will practice
Okay.
it for so
Yeah.
to make it more effective.
Correct. So what you do every day, you practice it once. So even though you
Okay,
know, you practice it again and again, it gives you more confidence. Then you will know whether where we am doing a mistake, where I'm struggling it. Okay.
okay,
Then you can correct it on the next day part. So in that
okay,
way,
okay.
you can daily practice gives you more confidence.
Okay, okay.
Right. So tomorrow,
Thanks.
as usual, we'll see it in the evening.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, 8 to 9:30, and in the weekends alone, we'll see in the morning.
Okay, okay, okay.
Right. Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you,
Bye.
Avdesh. Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you, Prabhas. Bye.